How to change your profile image on Xbox Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your profile image on Xbox Mobile. First thing, go to Xbox and now click here on your profile. Click on it and now you can choose anything you want here, and if you don't want this one, just click here and select any picture of your gallery and then it will be done. And that's how change your image on Xbox Mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.